first pin. Here, this is 73. That means this is 73 pin, the number 73 pin. And here, this is T46B. That means the name of the connector is T46B. And there are totally 46 pins. And this wire connects to the pin of number 24. Okay, so this part is about the connectors. Based on this part, we can understand how we know the name of the connector and what's the number of the wire, or we can say which pin what's the which pin is connected to the other wire. And this is big connector, normally used in VCU or ECU. And here it's a little bit special. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, a little bit special. And number 6 is from here. So this is a little bit special. Okay, then move to this part. We have to know about the simplified diagram. This is a very simple diagram. This is the lamp, this is the switch, and this is the fuse. Normally, we use this kind of diagram in circuit diagram, and in some diagrams maybe use this this type. The meaning are the same: lamp, switch, fuse. The difference is between the wire. You can see here the wire make it a little bit. This is slim and this is a little bit thicker. And in some vehicle diagram, in some vehicle circuit diagram, they may use this kind of diagram. The red lines means the wire, and this means battery, lamp, fuse, and the fuse. You can see, nevertheless, the way is a little bit different, but the meaning are almost the same. Only the difference is between you use a very slim wire or use a very thick wire, and the part maybe someone use someone maybe like use the plus means the. Can't see me? We can't. A moment.
没事，老师，你先讲课，我让他们开那个视频，因为一个班里作家很多学生，我让他们开视频。
好的，我是不是看不到我啊？
我们看到你，然后这个那个 GCT 拉吼这边很多学生在一个教室，我让他们的老师开那个视频，我们能看到所有的学生。OK，现在能看到。OK，ये GCT लाहौर प्लीज कैमरा बंद ना कीजिएगा, हम पूरी क्लास को देख रहे हैं。好的，老师，所有的学生在一个教室，现在我们能看到他们。
Okay, great. And in this diagram, you can see the battery use a positive, use plus, and in this diagram, the battery will use the picture of battery. So only a little bit difference, but the meaning are the same. It's easy to understand. Then let's move to this part. That means we have to know what is serial and what is parallel parallel, and if there's broken or if it is fault, if there is a fault, what will happen? First, the picture A means this is a very simple diagram. It's in serial. It's in serial. And the diagram B, there are two lamps. There are two lamps. The two lamps, they are in parallel. They are in parallel. If the two lamps are in parallel, if in case two lamps are in parallel, if one lamp is broken, it doesn't matter. The other lamp still will work. But if two lamps are in serial, they are in serial. In case one lamp is broken, it will cause the other lamp doesn't work. So this is the basic knowledge about the circuit diagram. I think all of you can understand this part. And then we'll come to another part to know about some key components normally used in our circuit diagram. First, if the symbol like this, it's a manual switch. If symbol like this is the manual button switch. The difference is this is switch and this is button switch. So the parts are different. And this is a multiple level switch, normally used in our ignition switch in our vehicle. The ignition switch is like the key where we insert. How we can when we start the engine, we have to insert the key into the socket. Then we start the engine. So this is a multi-level switch. And this is a mechanical control switch. And this is thermal switch. And this is a pressure switch. Normally we use in vehicle, normally use this manual switch and manual button switch and this one. They are normally used in diagram. And here, this is a resistor, and this is a variable resistor, and this is a thermistor, and this is a heating resistor, and this is a coil. The coil normally used in the relay, and the ignition coil, and this is the light emitting diode, and this is the diode. And this part, like this is a horn. Not the horn. This is solenoid valve. This is solenoid valve. And this is the speed sensor, and this is inductive speed sensor. That means this is a general speed sensor, and this is the specified type of the speed sensor. We call it inductive speed sensor. And this is a battery. That means the 12-volt battery, not the power battery. We have to differ from the electrical vehicle battery. And these are the fuse. This one is the fuse. You have to differ from the resistor. The resistor you can see here, this is the resistor. And this is the fuse. The difference is if the symbol is fuse, the wire, or we can say the line, will go through the rectangle. And for the resistor, the wire will not go through the rectangle. So you have to differ from you have to distinguish the resistor, the fuse, and the resistor. And this is the ignition coil. We use this part to represent the ignition coil, because you can see here we have two parts, right? Two parts and a short line here. This is similar to the ignition principle. And this is the spark plug. This means the spark plug. And this is the ECU, engine control unit. And this is the starter. M means motor. So this is the starter. Normally, this is assembly. This is assembly. It will contain the starter, contains the relay. starting relay. This is alternator with voltage regulator. Normally, we will not use this one in the diagram. Then let's go to the actual circuit diagram to see each part of these symbols. Normally in part of engine. You can see the symbol here, right? The symbol here. This means the control unit. But here we have different labeling here. That means the control unit is not ECU. This is a VCU. J519. That's the VCU, vehicle control unit. The symbol means ECU, right? Just now we saw it. And you can see here, that means this part, just like a diode, This is somehow in our cabin, we can see the light. We can see the light at the back side of the button or at the back side of the panel. And this light is lighting emitting diode. Just now we saw this. This is light emitting diode. A little bit different, right? A little bit different, but it means also they are the light emitting diode. It can have the light. And this is the